Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go home because it's gonna rain.
Look at that. Okay, take 3
Take
out
three.
of vlogging experience.
Yeah, we're just trying.
This
It's
is
good.
the first trip to Romania in
3 years.
3 years.
4 years.
4
3
years.
years.
3 or 4
3
years.
Yeah, our 1 year trip just started.
Yeah. Excited?
And excited. We are very
Me
excited.
too. We are in Heathrow Terminal 2 now. Going to Bucharest Otopen and then to
Yes.
Cluj.
Yes, it's gonna take us 12 hours?
Yeah.
No, more even.
Well, we'll see you in Bucharest.
Hey,
Hello from Otopen.
Bucharest.
Yeah, Otopen Airport.
We had hell of the day. Julian almost died. That's a great start of the journey.
And Magda panicked so much.
I was screaming, help, help in the airport.
But here we are,
Yes,
going to the second airport today.
yeah. We still have like 2 hours of waiting. We got the vaccination.
Show around.
It's nice and sunny. Yeah, it's nice and easy with the vaccine.
Oh yeah, we got vaccinated.
Yes. One girl passed out. We got scared. We met a Polish girl.
She made a new friend.
Yes, I met a new friend. Yay. Yeah, it was full of excitement and stress and everything. I don't know. Yeah, but this guy is still alive. That's the most important. Right? I'm happy. No, no more chewing gum for you. Oh my god, really terrible.
Okay, we'll see you next time at home.
In Cluj.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Welcome to Ungheni, to Romania.
Yes.
Right, so this is the front of the house. And that's like the main entrance. Here we have some roses.
And beautiful.
And the most
Magda.
beautiful rose. And flowers. Okay, let me film this. Like, nice.
What is it? Is it cement?
Yeah, it's cement. Looks like stone, but it's actually cement. But it
Nice.
looks really cool.
Yes. Everything done by your mom.
Yeah, everything done by my mom.
Let's say what we remember. So these are roses.
Roses. These are like some tree, like orange, I
No,
think.
it's lemon.
Lemon. Yeah, banana tree. We got some wild mushrooms there. Toxic ones, poisonous ones. And we got some
Pears.
pears. Still need to grow.
So
And
the
here,
fountain.
the fountain guarded by the swans.
Guardians of the garden.
The Madagascar parrot. And this is a lemon tree.
Homemade lemon.
And that's a lime. And this is apple tree. I think those are apples. Yeah, the small ones. So many nice flowers. Oh, this looks awesome. We're gonna go to the.
Garden. Veggie garden.
So we have parsley,
Radish.
radishes, yeah,
Dill.
dill. We got some peppers here, and here it's cabbage with onion.
Spring onion.
Yeah, and dill. And here is like the main, how do you call it? Greenhouse.
Greenhouse, yeah.
Right, and here is full of peppers, bell peppers, tomatoes, and the cucumbers are in the back. And here are the tomatoes. Yeah, basically that's, and the garage.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, that's like the yard. It's quite a bit rainy now. Quite wet, and that's the garage. Here are grapes and strawberries on the ground. And this is us enjoying the weather, and I mean the weather is,
The weather.
for us is really nice.
Yes, it's very warm. I
Yeah.
mean, it's how many? 20 degrees?
It's like 20. It's like nice and
But-
a bit windy.
Yes.
But it's been
not
raining quite a
sunny.
lot today.
A lot. We brought the rain from Manchester.
Yeah.
We
We enjoy ourselves here.
Yeah, just chilling now. Our quarantine.
Yeah. Okay, that looks awesome. Hey, Dora the Explorer.
Hey.
Oh yeah, it's gonna start pouring down real soon.
Yeah.
Come on, do it again.
I don't remember the storm when I see last time the storm. Oh, no.
Oh, I wanna hear it again. I will keep filming until
Okay.
I hear it. Nice, so there was a massive thunder
Oh yes.
and Magda got really scared. She started
No,
crying.
Miriam got scared.
But yeah, you can see like behind us. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go home because it's gonna rain.
Look at that. Nice, right? Come for a picture.
Is that a picture? So this is day 6 of our quarantine. We sitting in the pool and chilling. How you find the quarantine?
Very relaxing, very cool, not stressed at all.
Yeah. And
Nice.
finally we have enough sleep,
Yeah, and
even
enough,
more than enough.
and enough sun.
Yeah, and on Monday we going for the tour through Romania, so we will show more. So maybe let's summarize what we did in last few days. We got tiramisu from our neighbor.
I'll cut in my head again.
I'm sorry. And
Yeah, she was really
also she invited us for pancakes.
And she
so
got you flowers when she came.
yes, I got flowers. Welcome to Romania flowers.
Yeah.
And
We gave her a
they're
scarf.
blooming, like they're getting bigger
Yeah.
now. Nice. And
Cut in my head again.
oh my god.
Because you need to keep it a bit further, my love. Like that, exactly. Because I'm taller, so.
Okay then. So what else? We had pancakes with jam,
Oh, yeah, I
homemade jam.
forgot. And
She
Nutella.
invited us. I was a bit scared to actually go to her home because I mean it's like 2 minutes walk, but
It's
still I was
just
like, oh my
across the
god,
road."
police gonna come, we're gonna get a ticket. So
Mhm.
so yeah, I was scared, but it was fine actually. And we went by the river through like a big grass. It wasn't very comfortable because I had flip-flops.
Can I tell you something? What a wise man once said?
What?
This is Romania.
This is Romania.
Nobody gives a shit.
Well, yeah, but still, you know,
Yeah.
it's not good tourist.
Anyway, nobody called us from this DSP, which was supposed to report that we are in quarantine.
Yeah. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
What else we did actually?
Not much. We
cut the onion.
we peeled some onion.
We peeled some onion. We cried, at least one of us.
Magda cried.
For what was it for?
put
For
them
the
in
onion
vinegar.
in the vinegar. Yes.
I'll put the drinks down.
Okay, yeah, now we're having vermouth, homemade vermouth. What for future Magda? Swimming pool is awesome.
Yeah.
No body shame.
Always have a swimming suit available.
Exactly.
Don't wear glasses in water. It's very important for you.
Don't drop your phone. We didn't,
Yeah.
but just to make
Just in
sure.
case, FYI.
FYI.
Okay.
Okay, so bye bye. And here we have Leo, our cat, who's drinking the water from the fountain. Leo! Leo! Hey, Leo!
Film me.
Hello! He's not bothered. And this is my sexy husband on the quarantine. Look at this tan. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this muscle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
How
Yes.
nice it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a storm.
Should be. I think it's coming to us. I'm still white. You are much redder.
I'm like a crab.
You can see who was actually longer on the sun. It wasn't me.
I think it's gonna be like a really, really nice storm.
Let's wait for it. So how is your quarantine going?
Very nice.
We are not in India yet.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So funny. I swear to God. Do it to my nose and you'll see what I mean. Like go close and... right?
What's up, Pinocchio?
Like go up and like back and forth.
Ooh.
Very funny. This is pork.
Oh, pork.
Bandă de...
And here we have chicken.
Da, cu asta și o bandă din zoatului.
Baby, is it chicken here?
Caz de ceva, să rupe. Yeah, that's chicken. And then we have meat înăuntru.
Oh, meat.
Inside.
Okay.
I'm talking half this, half Romanian.
Oh, nice.
Looks nice, right? And
Very
soon
good.
it's gonna be flames, you will see.
Okay.
Oh hey, I did that.
Good, good,
Oh
good.
look. Now it's gonna be flames
Oh,
everywhere.
okay. Nice.
Because the fat is rendering from the pork, you know.
Oh, that's nice. And much less smoke now.
Yes, yes.
Nice, baby.
Thank you.
We are all proud of you.
Yeah.
You made such a good grill.
Oh, I still have a lot to make.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. That's why you.
Because it's burning the meat when it should the heat, not the flame, should cook it, you know. And if it's just fire directly, it's gonna burn the fat, not render it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So like when you